Number 1. 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $36,000, a two-door hardtop with light customizations, featuring a 35 straight-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission with floor shift. The car has the original dual exhaust, a new brake system, a clean interior, and runs and drives well. The exterior is neatly finished in pink paint, while the interior is predominantly orange and white. It can be traded for other classic vehicles from 1958 or earlier, especially automatics. These are the things I want you to know. Number 2. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Sunliner Convertible, priced at $29,000, equipped with a fully reconditioned and balanced 390 Ford FE engine board 30 over with cast iron pistons, Edelbrock aluminum heads, ceramic-coated Edelbrock intake, comp cam, MSD ignition, Griffin aluminum radiator, FI fuel injection, and ceramic-coated FPA exhaust. The engine and accessories are painted in glossy two-stage maroon and signed by George Barris. Features include a Ford AOD overdrive transmission with a light shift kit and external cooler built by Print Transmission, power rack and pinion steering, and front disc brakes. The rear end has a Curry N Ford differential with 355 gears, true spoke wire wheels with stainless spokes, wide white Coker tires, plus a spare set of wheels and tires. The car includes a complete Ride Tech 4-wheel air suspension with 2 new compressors, pressure switches, a 5G air tank, shockwave airbags and shocks, and Bluetooth connectivity along with a custom NASCAR rear suspension. The interior is fully custom, using extensively modified 1964 T-Bird components, an Idiot tilt steering column, vintage air heater and air conditioning, a leather and rawhide combination for the seats, and a fully trimmed trunk matching the interior, plus a classic instrument panel. It also has a Pioneer sound system, power windows, and remote door and trunk locks. Exterior modifications include Frenched H halogen headlights, LED turn signals, a stainless steel tube grille, a 58 Fairlane hood with LED lights, shaved door and trunk handles, removed emblems, cruiser skirts, custom pipes and taillights, and custom LED taillights with 6-inch fin extensions and trim. Number 3. 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe, priced at $17,000, with a 3-speed manual transmission on the steering column and the original 239 V8 engine. The car also comes with some replacement parts included with the purchase. As a classic car, it is in very good condition, runs smoothly, and performs great on the road. Number 4. 1954 Buick Roadmaster, priced at $4,000, this two-door hardtop car is in excellent condition. It has flawless paint and an attractive chrome shine. The interior is clean and tidy with the original 322 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. The car also features power windows. This Roadmaster is rare and well maintained. The seller is open to trades but is interested in cars from the 1930s and 1940s. This is an outstanding collection for classic car enthusiasts, the in show there are. Number 5. 1957 Monarch Lucern, priced at $21,000, a two-door hardtop with black exterior and black and white interior, powered by a 312 V8 engine with 255 HP. The vehicle is in perfect condition. The exterior is shiny with intact and clean chrome details, while the interior is also neat and well maintained with clean seat upholstery and an intact dashboard. All parts of the car, including the engine, are very well maintained and ready to drive. Check the description if interested. Number 6. 1951 Ford Custom, priced at $5,500, this two-door car is equipped with a rebuilt flathead V8 engine. It has a standard 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, headers, and dual exhaust. Visually, the car is in good condition with shiny green paint and mostly original components. The exterior shows some signs of age, but overall looks neat, including chrome front and rear bumpers and additional accessories like a window visor. This car reflects the classic character of the early 1950s with its aerodynamic design and distinctive chrome features. Number 7. 1966 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at $20,000. With 2 doors, the car has a body that is still in good and fairly sturdy condition despite its age and is still functional and registered. However, it needs a repaint due to some imperfections on the body, such as chipped paint and rust in some parts. The last paint was applied in 1977. The interior looks quite well maintained, with intact instrument panels and dashboard, although there is some wear on some parts. You can take Number 8. 1946 Plymouth Deluxe, priced at $8,375. This car was restored a few years ago. It has a 350 automatic engine and is registered. The exterior is in good condition with white paint and purple and blue stripe accents. The interior features a purple dashboard and steering wheel with white leather seats. The doors and trunk are clean and well maintained, with the trunk holding a spare tire and basic tools. This vehicle also comes with an old evaluation. Number 9. 1957 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $20,000. In very good condition, this hardtop four-door car has traveled 100,000 miles with its 371 engine. It features white paint with red side stripes. The interior is neat, with black and red upholstery and dashboard. The car has well-maintained new white wall tires and has never been driven in winter. This car is known for its very smooth driving comfort. Number 10. 1951 Dodge Coronet DLX, priced at $15,800, is in excellent condition with 32,000 original miles. It features a 6V battery, carburetor, and an engine restored to original specs in 2017. Recent replacements include the choke, generator, voltage regulator, exhaust, clutch, horn, starter solenoid, and rubber hoses. It has been meticulously maintained, stored in a heated garage, never exposed to rain, and comes with a car cover. Number 11. 1951 Pontiac, priced at $16,500. This car is still original with a 6V electrical system and a 3-speed manual transmission on the steering column, 3 on the tree. The interior has been updated with a fresh and new look, while the paint has also been recently updated, giving it a well-maintained and attractive appearance. The car is in running condition, making it a perfect choice as a wedding car with ready-to-use certification. This car offers an authentic and stylish classic experience. Number 12. Chevrolet Delray Classique, priced at $25,500. This four-door car has never been in an accident or restoration, with some minor defects appropriate for its age. There is a possibility to get the original paint and parts with the purchase. The body is solid, the floor is strong, and there is a lot of original chrome. The car has been maintained by a mechanic with 40 years of experience for the last 8 years, always stored indoors and kept during the winter. Everything works like the original condition, with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column, quickly starting on the road. Number 13. 1956 Chevrolet 150 Utility Sedan, priced at $15,000, the rarest and hardest model to find today. Only fewer than 9,000 units were made, and very few remain as many were converted to gassers or destroyed as fleet vehicles. If you want to own a Tri-5, this is your chance. This is a project car equipped with everything needed, plus many extras. The car comes with a bored-out 327 engine, a 700 R4 transmission, an extra 1955 frame for body mounting, as well as many new chrome pieces and extra parts, including new wiring. Number 14. 1959 Ford F100, priced at $19,500. This car is fairly well maintained with shiny blue exterior paint that retains its classic look. The interior features polka-dot fabric upholstered seats. Although there are some signs of aging and wear, the engine bay looks neat but may need a bit of additional maintenance. The trunk holds a spare wheel and some extra parts. The car only needs a new battery to function and has been stored in a garage and taken good care of by its owner. Number 15. 1966 Volvo 544 Sport, priced at $14,900. Purchased in 1967, this car is fun to drive but rarely used and in good condition. Powered by a 1700C 4-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, the restoration was done over several years, maintaining its originality. The odometer has rolled over once, making the miles 150,000. Thank you, sir. I am very happy with today's search. Don't forget to subscribe. Only one who speaks, it's all that you never show.